Ganpati Bappa Moria. Welcome back to Almost Famous Rider. So we are heading to Diu Fort now, or Diu as of now, Ginger Diu at Jalandhar Beach, which is about 88 kilometers from here. So it's again a short ride like yesterday. And we had 2 days of wonderful experience. Yesterday evening we had a lovely safari where we could watch a lioness with her cubs. योगेश रेलवे लाइन का फोटो कहता है का so and today we had watched two male lion said to be brothers, because often two grown-up lions don't stay together, so they are ought to be brothers. One was sitting and the other one was taking a walk around with a little bit of a growling. यार गडबड हो गई गुरु. इथन लेफ्ट दाखवत होतं तो लेफ्ट स्किप केला तर 96 किलोमीटर होऊन गेलं. बट आय डोंट नो हाऊ दॅट रोड इज यार. दॅट रोड डझंट सीम्स टू बी. हां नाही तर काय होतं तशीच ऑफ रोडिंग नाही का. नाही हे चांगलं आहे ना. हो. सो नाउ it is 96 kilometer. I don't know why did it increase by 8 kilometers, but that's okay. If the road is good, we are okay with the increased distance. And so today we are heading for Diu, where we will be visiting Diu Fort. And tomorrow also we have some time. After that we will be leaving for Ghoga ferry, from where we'll take a ferry to Hazira, and from Hazira we'll go to Surat, where we'll be reaching tomorrow night, late night, and we'll be staying there. And day after tomorrow we are heading for our homes. So the ride would come to completion day after tomorrow for me, if I do not continue. No, day after tomorrow. If I don't continue on 24th, I stay back in Mumbai and then proceed to Pune next day. So that's the latest update. The microphone battery is low because I forgot to recharge it last night. In fact, I forgot to take it out from my helmet only, so it got discharged for some time before it's going off on its own. So we'll use it sparingly and we'll catch up after some time. स्वस्त अँड्रॉइड मोबाईल घे 5-7 हजाराचा. फक्त मॅप लाव आणि वापर. 5-7 हजार काय सेकंड हँड मोबाईल असेल तो तोही घेऊन घे. मित्राकडे नातेवाईकाकडे. चला लेट्स मूव. I am at 40,998. 41,000 kilometers.
रोड पे ही निकलना है ना, जलंधर बीच पर।
हाँ,
रोड पे ही निकलना है।
हाँ, जलंधर बीच। So we reached Diu. Now we are staying in the Ginger Diu Hotel at Jalandhar Beach. I don't know why is the name Jalandhar is given to this beach, but we'll find it out. And now we are going to see the Diu Fort and INS Kukri, the real ship, the one that took part in 1971 war with Pakistan and defeated them. And we are just exploring the hotel side. I'll just give you the view of it. Hotel, lovely place, and there's some still construction going on. That's the hotel building. And this seems to be, ये तो natural rock लग रहा है बिल्कुल proper. This looks like a real and that's the Arabian Sea. All this is broken and fallen. हो आपलाच रिक्षा आहे चला 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 So the rickshaw guy is here. We have struck a deal with him. He's gonna take us to both the places. For if we finish in 1.5 hours, it will be 500 rupees. If it is 2 hours, it will be 600 rupees. But that's okay. So we'll catch up after some time. काय? थांबा 1 मिनिट वळून घेऊ दे त्याला. अरे गाडी फिरत होती ना म्हणून. So here we are at the Diu Fort. It's a very steep slope, yeah. This is going to the lighthouse, and that's the lighthouse where we are climbing deep. That's the view of the fort. So look at the view from this point. You can actually see everything approaching to this fort from all the directions, and that's the lighthouse. This is one of the cannons kept here. View of the Arabian Sea. What a location is this? It's like a watchtower where you can see anything, any ship, anybody approaching to you. And this is the lighthouse. And then on the other side, standing here at INS Kukri in Diu, the mood of the journey changed completely. So far this ride has been about roads, forts, beaches, wildlife, safari, motorcycle, travel, but this place reminds us of something much deeper, the courage, duty and the sacrifice. INS Kukri का नाम हमें 1971 के भारत पाकिस्तान युद्ध की याद दिलाता है, जिसमें आई थिंक 9 दिसंबर 71 में ये जो फ्रिगेट INS Kukri दीव के पास के कोस्ट में एक पाकिस्तान सबमरीन के अटैक का शिकार हुआ था, और टॉर्पेडो लगने के बाद शिप धीरे धीरे समुद्र में डूबने लगा। तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में कैप्टन महेंद्र नाथ मुल्ला, जिनके बारे में हमने आज पढ़ा, जो कमांडिंग ऑफिसर थे INS Kukri के, एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी करेज दिखाया उन्होंने बहुत सारे सेलर्स को शिप अबैंडन करने में मदद की, बट वो खुद इस शिप को छोड़ के नहीं गए, और इनफैक्ट वो शिप के साथ, मैं तो कहूँगा, उन्होंने समाधि ले ली। दिस इज़ आई थिंक one of the highest traditions of the Indian Navy. उस रात आई थिंक लगभग 18 ऑफिसर्स और 176 पौने 200 सेलर्स देश के लिए अपना सर्वोच्च बलिदान दिया था. Was not easy because the only thing that came to my mind was gratitude to all these brave soldiers who sacrificed their life for us, protect our country, and thanks to them that we are able to live a comfortable life, enjoy our life. Salute to you guys. Jai Hind.